Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a DIY Starbucks drink. I love the iced chai latte from Starbucks. Like, that is like my go-to drink that I love to drink at Starbucks, and I figured out how to do it at home. So if you guys want to see how I achieve my iced chai latte at home, then you have to definitely keep watching this video so you can see how easy and simple it is, and it doesn't even cost you more than $5. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that Starbucks drink, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is this Starbucks cup. I purchased this cup about a year ago and I've been using it ever since. It's on the time that I purchased it, I think it was only $1, and it's a reusable cup that you can reuse as many times as you want. And I picked it up at Starbucks, of course, and I thought it was such a good idea. Like, if I need to get out of the house really quick and I need to put coffee away in a container, like, I could just put it in here and just take it on the go. So I thought this was super convenient, especially for those days that I need to be out of the house. So I got this at Starbucks for $1. I don't know if they still have them for $1, but you definitely want to check them out, see which Starbucks have them and which don't. So yeah, I got this chai latte, classic latte. It's a rich blend of black tea, cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom and vanilla. So this is exactly what it is. It's a chai latte thing. So this is how it looks right here, and it's very simple to use. I think I got this for $3 for this. This is gonna last you for a long time. This could last you at least 2 weeks. That's how big this container is and how much it contains. So I was like, I definitely want to try this out. And then I went ahead and purchased the soy milk. So I just purchased this one, the Silk Soy Milk Vanilla. And I basically gonna show you guys how I do it, and I'm gonna insert the clip right now, and you guys can see how I just grab my cup, I fill it up with ice, I go in with the chai latte mix, and I just fill it up halfway of the cup. So halfway in the cup I fill the chai latte, and then I go in with the soy milk and just fill it halfway. So half and half of each product. So half of the chai and half of the milk, and I just take my straw and just mix it all together, and boom, basically that is the completed chai latte. And as soon as you take a sip of that chai latte, you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, it tastes just like Starbucks. You guys are gonna be shook as soon as you drink that drink. And especially if you like chai lattes like I do, you're definitely gonna love this DIY, and it's gonna save you so much money, especially if you go to Starbucks every single day. You're definitely gonna save money on this, because this can last you at least up to 2 weeks. So if you guys love chai lattes, you're definitely gonna love this recipe, and I definitely wanted to share it with you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the DIY Starbucks drinks. If you guys want to know any like DIYs that you guys want to know, or anything, just let me know down in the comment section, and I will definitely do more DIYs for you guys. I love to share those things that I can do at home that can save you guys money. Of course, if I love to save money, I would love to save you guys some more money. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye loves.